Ethereum is moving to proof of stake soon. In fact, the new date for that to happen is September 15th, and that means a few different things. One, that your coins are all going to go over to a new network. So the question then becomes, what the heck do you do to make that happen, Lark? What do I need to do? How do I keep safe during that time? And perhaps most interestingly, there is likely to be a forked coin airdropped to Ethereum holders as miners stage a last stand on the proof of work chain. That's free money, guys. Free money. So watch until the end of this video to find out, well, how to get that free money. My name's Lark. I make videos on investing. If you do like that topic, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. And of course, tap on the thumbs up button to show some love, to let me know you do appreciate this kind of content. Okay, first and foremost, what do you need to do on the day of the merge? Let me lay it out for you real simple. Nothing. In fact, really do nothing. Don't try to transact on the day that the merge is happening, at least until we've had confirmation everything's successful. Also watch out for insane gas price spikes just before and after the merge as people rush to reposition themselves. But in reality, this whole process should be pretty much seamless for the average user. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. But I would say, do ensure that you do everything you need to do on Ethereum. But let's say the 14th of September, right? Get it all done a day in advance, just so you don't find yourself rushing to try to do something at the last minute and get caught out by potentially high gas fees, right? You don't want that to be you. Also, be aware that all major wallet providers like Ledger, MetaMask, they're just going to auto-update their software for you. You don't need to do anything, right? In the vast majority of cases, you can just sit back and relax. Although, a word of warning, I know that some of you guys are using some pretty damn obscure and random wallet providers for some freaking reason that no one's ever heard of. If in doubt, you should definitely check with your wallet provider to ensure that they are planning to support the hard fork on the day it happens, right? So make sure that's the case. Also, critical information for you: do not share your private keys with anyone for any reason. Around the fork, I guarantee there's going to be an explosion of scamming. People looking to capitalize on, well, your lack of knowledge, perhaps around the technical process here, perhaps even a bit of your greed. This happens every single time there is a fork like this. Remember, you do not need to do anything. Everything auto-updates for you. Be careful of phishing emails, be careful of fake support people, and be careful of anyone telling you that they need your private key, or that you have to approve this contract, or you have to give us a private key immediately, you're going to lose all your funds. There's no reason to rush. Nothing needs to happen urgently. Please be careful. And what about staking your Ethereum post-merge? Surely it's going to be so much easier to do now. Well, not really. Kind of, sort of, but not really. You're still going to need 32 Ethereum to stake, which sucks for most investors who can't afford the $50,000, whatever, to do that. But we will have liquid staking protocols like Lido Finance or Rocket Pool still that are going to let you stake your Ethereum, even if you only have just one Ethereum to stake. That's the good news. There's also the good news that you could be earning higher rewards in the short term anyway for staking Ethereum, since the fees that would have otherwise been paid out to the miners are now going to go to stakers. Now, before I tell you about a possible Ethereum airdrop, let me just break the flow real quick to tell you about Wealth Mastery. This is my weekly cryptocurrency investor report. I talk about altcoins, DeFi, NFTs, airdrops, and much, much more. Lots of curated information that me and my team put together for you. Sign up to our value-packed newsletter for free using the link down below in the description. Okay, now let's talk about a potential Ethereum airdrop. So, when Ethereum forks to proof of stake, miners are likely to continue to run the old Ethereum chain. They've basically confirmed this at this point, meaning that a fork will happen. We saw this happen in the past with Bitcoin forks around these contentious upgrades that happen. That's how Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, Bitcoin Gold, all this stuff came into being. And to be clear, if a proof of work Ethereum continues to exist after the merge, it's just going to be miners running a dead network. Everything and everyone except the miners are moving to the new proof of stake network. It's almost kind of sad. Goodbye, dear friends. Goodbye, miners. Thank you for all the security over the years. Thank you for processing my transactions. You're the unsung heroes of Ethereum up to this point, but we're leaving you behind, guys. I'm sorry, it's happening. Anyway, critical players like Chainlink and USDC have said they will not support any proof of work forks, meaning that basically there will be a complete lack of essential infrastructure on the proof of work coin. Also, don't fall for the idea that you're suddenly going to be double rich. Every single coin that is going to be copied onto the new network, all those stable coins and tokens on the proof of work fork, they're going to go to zero real fast because there's nothing backing them, so be careful. So just how will you go about getting this fork coin, this free money? Well, there's two ways to do it. One is by keeping your Ethereum in a wallet that you control, much like MetaMask. This is the best method. This will ensure that you do get the airdrop, assuming that it is confirmed that we do get one. The other is by putting your Ethereum on an exchange that will support the proof of work fork. Now, in that second case, it's uncertain how long it will take to get access to any fork coin because it's really up to the centralized exchange. So to be clear, your own wallet is the best option. But if you feel like you're not technically ready for such an event, then the centralized exchange option may actually be the better one for you. Understand your own technical limitations and adjust accordingly. Just make sure your exchange does plan to support it. Now, how will you actually claim an airdrop? Well, I'll make a tutorial on the day that it happens, but in short, there will be a snapshot at the time of the merge, and you will then be able to claim coins on the new network. It should be as easy as just adding a new network to your MetaMask. We've done that many times before for other coins, so it should be pretty easy. But if in doubt, again, do nothing. Better safe than sorry. Now, personally, if I get an airdrop, I will sell it pretty damn quickly. I strongly believe there is no future for any proof of work coins for Ethereum. And to be honest, I don't think the miners really do either. But they know they can milk this last moment and make a big chunk of money on a fork before they have to go and mine a dead coin like Ethereum Classic. But you can still make money off of the airdrop, getting the coins, dumping them. Bitcoin airdrops from previous forks were worth some nice money, and a lot of people got a nice payday from Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. Also, with the Ethereum fork, there will be a fork of the whole chain, again, meaning that you'll get any wrapped Bitcoin or USDC or other assets that you have there as well. But again, the value of these will effectively be zero since there is nothing backing those coins, but still you will get them and there might be a chance to get some value out of them. Now, to be clear, you will not want to buy the Ethereum proof of work token. You either get the airdrop and you dump or you don't. Anyway, I hope this video helped you understand this important upcoming event. Let me know if you will be holding or selling your Ethereum airdropped coins if you get them. Let me know down below. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.